Golghar. Golghar is one of the most famous historical landmark in Bihar, located in the capital city of Patna. It is large granary built during the British colonial period and is known as for its unique architectural design and historical importance. Golghar was constructed in 1786 by the Captain George Garstein under the orders for British government. It was built as a preventive measures after the devastating Bengal famine of 1770, which caused widespread suffering and loss of life. The purpose of the structure was to store grain and ensure food security in the times of crisis. The design of Golghar is quite distinctive. It is a massive dome-shaped structure with no pillar inside, allowing for maximum storage space. The building stands about 29 meters tall and has thick wall that help maintain the temperature inside. A spiral staircase with 145 steps window around the exterior of the structure, allowing people to reach the top. One of the most interesting features of Golghar is its architecture. The structure was designed in such a way that it is resemble a beehive. However, it is said to that designs had a flaw. The doors open inwards, which made it difficult to empty the granary once it was filled to the capacity. As a result, it was never used to its full potential. Today, Golghar is popular tourist attraction rather than the functional granary. Visitors climb spiral staircase to reach the top, from where they can enjoy the panoramic view of the city of Patna and nearby Ganga's river. The site is especially attractive during the sunrise and sunset. Golghar is also served as a reminder of the colonial history of the India and challenges faced during that period. It reflects the efforts made to address the food shortage and improve infrastructure, even though the implementation was not entirely successful. The area around Golghar has been developed as a recreational spot with gardens and open spaces where the people can relax and spend time with the family and friends. It is often visited by the tourists, students, and local alike. Golghar is not an important historical architectural landmark in Bihar. Its unique design, historical background, and present-day significance as a tourist attraction make it one of the most recognizable symbols of Patna.